Nobody's bigger Mustang fans than we are here at Bird-Kultgen Ford. But every once in a while we take in a trade that you have to look at and think, well, that's pretty cool too. Join sales consultant Kirk Lewis as he gives you a walk around of this beautiful 2010 Dodge Challenger SRT8.
6.1 liter Hemi. It is a Hoss at 425 horsepower with 420 foot-pounds of torque. It is a demon of the road. This particular one has got navigation, has Bluetooth capabilities for pairing your phone up. This one's only got 9,000 miles, and it needs a home. At 425 horsepower, is 0 to 60 in 5.4 seconds. Hey, this is the cockpit of the Challenger SRT8. It's got a navigation screen, full-blown nav. You also have heated seats on both sides, and man, these seats are really luxurious. They're nice. The back seat itself is pretty spacious for a muscle car. Quite a bit of room. Let's crank it up. Wow. This one also has push button start, which makes it nice. As long as you've got the key in your pocket, you push the button and crank her right up, right here on the dash.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Plug in. Is that a USB?
Yeah, it is.
Cool. Hi. We're glad you tuned in to watch the video. We've got some other fine vehicles on the lot besides the Dodge Challenger that we'd like you to come by and see. My name's Kirk Lewis, and we appreciate you tuning in.